This 2018 Jayco Eagle HT 29.5 BHDS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 34 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 10, oven, TV antenna, awning, microwave, TV, water heater, refrigerator, skylight, LP detector, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Jayco Eagle HT 29.5 BHDS is 8,655 pounds. This 2018 Jayco Eagle HT 29.5 BHDS. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.